The 996P2 is loud.
Flash flood warning for the following counties in West Virginia, Lincoln and Wayne. Issued at 4:32 p.m.
Flash flood warning.
Time.
Actually.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Lincoln County in central West Virginia, eastern Wayne County in western West Virginia until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard.
That's ATS at a lot of airports. Weirdly, Yeager Airport actually does recorded voices. But yeah, most airports use deck talk. I've heard of one, Johnstown, Cambria County Airport in Pennsylvania that uses Microsoft Zero.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ranger, Jewel and Hearts. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia, Lincoln and Wayne.
Well, like I said, most areas do that, but Charleston doesn't.
Report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Lincoln County in central West Virginia, eastern Wayne County in western West Virginia until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source on radar. Impact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ranger, Jewel and Hearts. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia, Lincoln and Wayne. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ranger, Jewel and Hearts. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia, Lincoln and Wayne.